Hello, hello. Welcome to the class number two on the a little bit advanced core, which I call intermediate. So let's learn the arrange. So let's say I made multiple object all right, and now I can select them all and group them if I want. Like if I group them, I can move it once at a time. These are grouped. So I will just ungroup them, and then there is these are the simple things: log, branching. I just explained the branching here. These all things are simple. You know how this works, and I don't have to explain all of that. So let's just skip it and see the functions. Functions, I never use them, but insert a stop, insert a tie off, insert a trim. I think these are the things that we can, uh, help the machine to do the trims on the random wear. So it's like that. If I click clear jumps, I don't know what happens, but still, I don't know. I'd never used it, so I don't know about it. Sorry for that. So I will just move on to the stitch. Generate stitches. I never used it. Graphics, import graphics mean importing a picture. All right. And keep graphic object, never used it, never used it. These things are for, I think, very advanced level when you are doing a very complicated design. But I never use them because I never made such a complicated design. But yes, I rarely use something called, let's just take any picture. Let's just take this. Oh, import failed. Okay. Bad picture, so we will take the bunny. All right, so we have this. Okay. And we can go to the, graphics. Color photo stitch, what it will do, like, it will, see, it will have a colored photo stitch. That's it. If I delete it, I will delete this also. If I move this here, so we have this bunny, which is like a colored photo stitch. Why it has so many stitches, I don't know why, but it does have, so I don't like it actually. So I will just go back, and if you want, you can try something. And there's one more thing, which is the instant smart design. It is very nice actually. So I will show you. Mm, I mean, it takes, like, sometimes 1 minute, sometimes 2 minutes, or maybe sometimes half minute. But I think it is better than the colored photo stitch. It depends on the one who is doing it. So I don't blame anyone for this. But it is kind of a pretty fun thing to play with. Mm, you know, it is taking a little bit longer. So I shouldn't have done that because I did on a pretty big picture here. So, I can't stop it now because, oh, I can stop it actually. I didn't thought about it. So I will just make it smaller and a little bit more smaller. And now I will do the instant design. It should come out in 3, 2, and 1. Give me the design. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, we have this generating stitches. All right. All. Ah, very bad. Ah, I don't like it. That was dirty. Because of this background, I think it was a little bit bad. Mm, Nah, I don't use it actually, so I'm not into it. Sorry. It is bad thing. Doing auto digitizing is a bad thing and never do it. Always do manual digitizing. That's the lesson for today's class. And everything is simple outline, run object. I mean, I never use them. I think these are related to these, but I never used it. So I'm sorry for that. So let's just move on to new thing, which is the setup. All right, and I think let me explain the setup, and we will explain the other thing on the next class. All right. So if you go to setup option, all right, so you will see many things. It is autosave. I mean, if I make it to 5 minutes, 4 minutes, it will autosave my design as a backup in every 4 minutes. So if I lost my electricity, which I usually do, so it helps me to recover the image. I mean, on the project I am working on, it is the play button sound. You can also turn it off if you don't like it, because it is the tuk 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 tuk. I mean, I enjoy it sometimes, but most of the time I just turn it off. So yeah, I mean, when I am listening to some songs, I just turn it off. And there is a play button change immediately. Use the apply button. So it is pretty simple. All right. And there is hoop. I mean, you can do the show hoop. I mean, there are many things like you can set your export location also. And I don't know pretty much about these things. So I mean, you have to use everything. I mean, you can just change these grid if you want. I mean, view graphic, view design. You can, I mean, change some things on it, but remember what you changed. So in the future, if you want to revert, you can revert. And that's it for the setup. And I think rest of the things you don't need it because you are a beginner. You don't need any of these. I mean, if you want to test them, you can always. I don't mind. But remember, uh, I don't know how these work. Sorry again. So it's a 7 minute class now. I will explain this in a new class and it will be the almost the last class. So thank you for watching again. Hope you understand something and see you on the next class. Bye bye.